Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your Bluevine credit line repayment schedule. Knowing your repayment schedule helps you to manage cash flows and to avoid missed payments. Bluevine makes it easy to see exactly when and how much you owe. Here's how to check it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine accounts through the website or mobile app, and then you're going to click on the credit line section from your dashboard. Select the active drawer that you want to review. And now look for the repayment schedule tab or section. This will show you the installment amounts, due dates, and remaining balance for that draw. Expand the details if you want to see a breakdown of principal versus interest for each payment. If you've made extra payments, you can confirm that your schedule has been updated to reflect the reduced balance. You can also download or export the repayment schedule if you need it for accounting or planning. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.